I was skeptical about this one. I mean, I've seen a lot of drones over the years, and most of them promise the moon but end up feeling like toys with tiny cameras and shaky footage. But then I got my hands on the Antigravity A1-360, and honestly, it flipped my expectations completely. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. What really got me was the true 360 immersive flight. Most drones force you to fly forward and backward, left and right, like you're stuck on a grid. But this thing? It spins, flips, and moves in every direction without ever needing to turn. You're not just flying a drone, you're piloting a camera that can go anywhere. I took it out to the park last weekend, and I swear, the neighbors stopped to watch because it looked like the drone was defying physics. It's not just a flying camera, it's a flying experience. And the video quality? It's 8K 360, which means one shot gives you infinite possibilities. You can reframe the footage in post-production however you want. I filmed my kid's soccer game, and later, I could rotate the video to make it look like I was flying right behind the goal. No need to reposition the drone mid-flight. It's like having a camera crew that never misses a moment. Plus, the 249G ultralight design means you don't need to register it in most places, which is a huge plus if you're just looking to have fun without bureaucracy. The controls are surprisingly intuitive, even for beginners. I handed it to my niece, who's never flown a drone before, and she picked it up in about 10 minutes. The point-to-fly motion control lets you just tap where you want to go, and the drone does the rest. No complicated sticks or switches, just point, fly, and enjoy. And the obstacle avoidance is a game-saver. I've crashed enough drones to know how frustrating it is when you lose control. But the A1-360 has omnidirectional sensors that keep it from hitting trees, people, or even low-hanging branches. I flew it through some tight spots in my backyard, and it handled like it had eyes in the back of its head. Another feature that blew me away was the auto-editing 2.0. After a flight, the drone automatically stitches together the best moments, adds music, and even applies transitions. I recorded a quick flight around my house, and when I checked the footage later, it looked like a professional reel. No more spending hours editing, just fly, and the drone does the rest. It's perfect for social media or just sharing fun moments with friends. The battery life is solid too. I got close to 39 minutes of flight time on a single charge, which is way more than most drones in this class. And the foldable design makes it easy to toss in a backpack. I took it on a hiking trip last month, and it barely took up any space. Plus, the deep track feature keeps the drone locked onto you, even if you're moving fast. I tried running with it, and it kept up like it was glued to me. Now, it's not perfect. The goggles are cool for immersive flying, but they're a bit bulky, and if you wear glasses, you might find them uncomfortable after a while. Also, while the auto-editing is handy, it's not always perfect, sometimes it picks moments that aren't quite what you wanted. But honestly, those are minor quirks in an otherwise impressive package. If you're looking for a drone that's fun, easy to fly, and delivers pro-level footage without the hassle, this is it. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pilot, the Antigravity A1-360 is worth checking out. The link is below if you want to see the details for yourself. For most buyers, the real question is not whether Antigravity A1-360 drone with camera 8K, immersive goggles, point-to-fly motion control for adults and beginners, obstacle avoidance, 249G and foldable, deep track, auto-return, auto-edit sounds impressive on paper, but weather strengths like true 360 immersive flight and 8K 360 video one-shot, infinite possibilities. The worlds actually make daily use feel easier, more dependable, and more worthwhile after the first few days of excitement were off.